I'll tell you what's really happening in the fly fishing department is everybody's heading out.
Welcome back. This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. And if you're interested in old radios, new radios, scanners, shortwave radios, any kind of radios, antennas, or even bugs that come in your workshop, get out of here, bug. Any kind of electronic gadgets, you need to subscribe. And hit that little bell there next to subscribe, and you'll automatically get a notice when I post a new video. Hey, that's great. Okay, this is another radio from Jeff King, who loans me radios, review on my show. He's got a huge collection of radios. This one is, and I'll have to look at his notes because look at the face of this. I don't recognize this radio at all. It is a Gerod. G-E-R-O-D, 1946 vintage. 1946. That was the year I was born. Oh, okay, well, let's move on. Purchased at flea market for $30. It needs some work on the face right here. You can see that some of the paint is worn off. Not a big deal. Otherwise, it's pretty clean. A little rub here on the volume control. It's been rubbed off a little bit. Let me zoom in. Good grief. Don't need to see all my junk in my workshop. See the radio. There we are. AM. Big dial here. And he's had it recapped and all cleaned up. It sounds good. It's got good volume. Now, it does get AC, it sounds like AC hum, but that I think is due to my lighting and my fan and my monitor, because once you tune in a good station, you don't hear that AC hum. I'll turn it back up.
There are a lot of foods for trout, and trout grow fast on them, and they like to seize that opportunity. Of course, you're usually working right against the bank, which is a lot of fun. Big fish, shallow water, and it's a major explosion.
So, I've got plenty of volume, nice and clear. Let me tune the bus the band here.
That's for sure. And this year,
odors and insect infestation from your basement or crawl space. It also expels harmful gases such as radon.
There I'm getting the hum. Now, part of the hum could be caused when the circuits are being driven pretty hard. In this case, it's the strongest station in my area, which is 970. That could be the cause the hum.
A drier, cleaner, and healthier one all year round. It's
definitely there.
Choose the air you breathe.
But there's no hum. There's no hum when I'm not on the station, which means the audio section is not being driven hard because there's no audio. So I think that's what it is. I don't know. I'm no expert. There's hum again. Picks up all kinds of stations though. See the hum come in? Or hear the hum come in?
That says if you have a kid, the government is going to give you money. Give you money to be off from work.
But as soon as you tune off of a station, it's gone. But that's my guess anyway. Is as long as you don't have a strong signal and a lot of audio, there's no hum. Let's see if I can get 620. Yeah.
International Diamond Center's Summer of Savings continues with yet another blockbuster offer. With any purchase right now, get IDC's best price, plus 30 months zero-interest financing. Plus, we'll even cover your first 2 payments. Nobody makes fine jewelry more affordable than IDC. Rings, earrings, bands, bracelets, colored gemstones, fine Swiss watches. Everything's included. In fact, IDC's selection has never...
It could also, because there's a little distortion there, it also could be one of the tubes. I think did he say, yeah, it's 5-tube radio. Could be one of the tubes. All right, I think that's about it. I can show you the back here real quick, or try to. The cord will reach. There's the back of it. It does have an antenna and ground wire. Again, this is AM only, but it doesn't need an external antenna. As you saw, it's picking up a lot of stations here. It's a model 6A-2 1946 version, and it says, I don't know what this, Jeff will tell us what this means. Riders 17-11. And that's part of the revision number of the model or what. Pretty cool. Thanks, Jeff, for bringing me these radios to review on my show. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.